everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today we are celebrating our 1-year channel anniversary. We passed 500 subscribers. I'm so happy and so thankful for all my subscribers for subscribing to my channel. And if you are a new subscriber, I cook authentic Greek food, Egyptian food, Mediterranean food in general from different Mediterranean countries. I promise all my subscribers that this year I'm going to cook more and more Mediterranean dishes from different countries like Turkey and Italy. And together we are going to learn that cooking from scratch makes a huge difference and it makes your family happier and healthier. So keep watching and please tell your friends and family about my channel. Thank you again.